What's up, guys? This is BMX Falcon and this is my bike check. Start from the top. I got ODI super soft grips, pretty beat up irons. I got the Sunday Freeze top load stem in red. I don't really like it. It slips a lot. It's only 30 bucks. I got the stock Verde Eon frame. Cinema 333 rims. I bought those separately because they broke. Stock fork. Red wall fit FAF tires. I got a Shadow Conspiracy seat post combo. Stolen Thermalite SP pedals. They got the metal pins on them. I don't really like them. Just get JC PCs. Stock cranks. These suck too. I broke one of the bolts in them, so it slips a lot now. Back, Cinema 333 cassette rim. Also fit FAF tire. On this side, I have an Odyssey Bluebird chain and a stock sprocket. Well, guys, that's my bike check. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe.